If you can, would love to get a sense of how the new Gen AI tools in HubSpot are being adopted, and where do you think we are in this curve of adoption? Um, you know, Being a guy that's been around for a few years, I will use the cliches such as crossing the chasm, uh, and as well as referring to the Gartner hype cycle. Are we at the peak of the hype curve here, or where are we? Do you think in the adoption of these types of tools?
Wow. Okay, there's a lot there. Let me first say I love the use case that you love. To be honest, not just in HubSpot, but across martech in general, this is probably one of the most exciting things for me. Is martech tools have just gotten more complex, and even HubSpot that prides itself on being fast and easy and like really trying to have a great UX. Still, the reality is just as you have more and more capabilities, and as you build larger and larger business organizations, it's just there's a lot there. And I think to have this new user interface paradigm where I don't have to point and click my way through, a tree, I just say what I want in, natural language, and it does it for me. And even with that caveat that you said, which is, I know a lot of people are very nervous when they think about AI in the context of like it being a black box. Oh, well, it's doing something. I don't know exactly how it did it or what it just gave me the answer. How do I like trust that answer? The thing I love about that report builder thing is like, no. It is basically like using your query to like set up a report, but then actually gives you the full report. Here's the way it's configured. You can go in, you can adjust anything. There's no black box magic to it at all. Love that use case.
Yeah.
So to answer then your question, there's two curves here, right? All right, the crossing the chasm. Yep, big fan of that. Obviously can't give numbers, or like the HubSpot investor relations people will track me down and shoot me.